Reason number 3, AI does not just have a bias problem. It automates bias at a scale no human hiring manager could ever achieve manually. And that is not a feature request, that is what is actually happening right now. HireVue was one of the biggest names in AI recruiting. They built facial analysis technology to predict job performance based on expressions and voice patterns. Thousands of real candidates were screened with this technology. Real people were rejected because an algorithm decided their face did not look hireable. Then researchers proved it was pseudoscience. The science did not hold up. HireVue abandoned the tech, but the rejected candidates, nobody called them back. Here is the structural issue. These models learn from historical data. Historical data reflects historical discrimination. Train an AI on biased hiring records and it learns to underrepresent those same groups. Faster at scale, without a single human reviewing an individual decision. You have not removed bias from the process, you have automated it. You gave discrimination a GPU and told it to optimize. That was number 3. If you are a QA engineer, you understand this instinctively. You know that bad inputs produce bad outputs. You know that testing with biased data gives you biased results. The entire AI industry is learning what testers have known for decades. We just call it a defect. They call it a feature.